Okay. So here you have to give the numbering. You know which exercise is this? From where did I take this exercise? Where is this exercise?
In book.
Book में. Or great answer you gave. Which book?
Grammar book.
No.
English.
English. So
Yeah.
in this, see the sentences are there. I think in the 14 are there. You have to give the correct numbering. Which one will come first? So I will see who can do it quickly. This is listening practice actually. In CD they have given audio, but that we cannot do over here right now. So you just give the numbering. Tell me which one will come first. It is about the bank. That instructions for depositing the money in the bank. They are not in correct order. So which one will come first from these? Tell me. First कौन सा आएगा? Count the first one. I am waiting, but once he gives the number one, I will tell you. Number one is already written. Remember to take a pen to the bank along with the check or cash you
Yes.
want to deposit. And
I
number
was
two,
going to say that only.
okay. Then number two,
Sign.
tell me the sentence. Which sentence?
If you are depositing a check, list the details of the check number, the name of the bank and branch, etc.
No, वो नंबर टू नहीं है. Tell me.
Sign at the back of the check.
Where is the answer? See, collect the deposit slip. Number three. Find out number three. Fill in the bank account number on the deposit slip. Then number 4. What will be number 4?
Pin the check and the deposit slip together.
Number 4 is just above that, Delisha. Fill in the date and account holder's name in full. Then number 5.
Sign at the back of check.
नहीं, number 5 वो नहीं है. In sequence you have to go. If you are depositing cash, list the cash being deposited in the right denominations, means official value. 100 rupees note, how many you have? 500 rupees note, how many you have? Ma'am, know that or not? Have you ever been to the bank for depositing money?
No.
तो फिर कैसे पता होगा? No.
तो फिर इसलिए तो रॉन्ग बोल रही हूँ सर.
Then number 6. There is the place at the bottom where you add totals and write the total amount you are depositing. Suppose 100 rupees, 10 notes you are depositing. So total you will add 1000 there in the total box. फिर उसके बाद next step. Suppose if you are depositing a check, then list the details of the check. Means check में check number होता है. I hope you have seen the check at least. So check number, the name of the bank and branch वो सब होता है उसमें. That is to be written. Then what will be 8? Number 8. Sign at the back of the check. If you have ever seen your parents or anyone depositing the check, check के पीछे भी sign होती है. That check sign has to be done at the back. Then 9th. Go to the relevant counter and deposit the check. So there are different counters as we know, cash deposit, money withdrawal. So first after writing that you have to go to the counter and give your check. Then number 10 will be get back your receipt. वो चेक हम डिपॉजिट करेंगे तो वो लोग रिसीट भी देंगे. That is over here. Get back your acknowledgement stub. Stub means that record. Agreement record. वो लोग receipt जैसा कुछ देंगे. That you have to take with you. Then 11th will be this. In case of drop boxes, take the seal stamp on the deposit slip and counterfoil of the deposit slip. तो यहाँ पे drop box भी होता है. You can just put that check in the drop box and you can come back home. Counterfoil means slip. When you fill the slip, that is counterfoil. Karan and Sakina, where did you vanish?
Yes, sir.
Where did you fly away?
I went for breakfast.
Okay. See, number 12 is the last one. Retain the counterfoil with you. Means you have to keep your slip with you. That is the proof that you have deposited the money. Then the last two steps, 13 and 14. अब 13 कौन सा आएगा? And 14, tell me, only two are left. Which will be 13?
Drop them in
Yes, Elisha. Okay.
nothing.
I will cut your marks for this now.
ये क्या एग्जाम में आने वाला है?
नहीं, मार्क्स तो जाएंगे फिर भी. FA3 में दूंगा. See today only. Anyhow.
What sir?
Today only I will just cut your marks for FA3.
ले
14 sentences हैं, so 1 mark each.
तो 14 मार्क्स कट कर दोगे वैसे?
Now only I will cut.
मेरे को 6 मार्क्स आए, फेल हो गई मैं.
Now take screenshot of this quickly. This is a textual exercise. It is on page 58. Taken?
हाँ सर. Yes.
Read the dialogue. What would you do if you get a raise of $50 a month? I would keep the money in the sack or a soap. The conversation is given. So here what is given? Let us find out if you have sharp sense of humor. See if your sense of humor is good or not. Work in pairs and read the situations. Take turns to ask the questions and give funny responses. Ask the questions to each other and give funny response. Like above you saw. So I will ask you, give me funny response. Okay? Let me try. So, why did you go to dentist? Do you have a toothache? So you have to give a funny response to me. Think. Why did you go to dentist? Did you have a toothache? So you don't have a good sense of humor. Can't you give a funny answer? Any answer. It should be funny. So funny answer you can give like this. No, I did not go to dentist for my toothache. I went there to play chess with him at clinic. Then second question. Why are you not completing your homework? Still you are doing it. Why are you not completing your homework? Still you are playing. So what answer will you give me? Do one thing. You can all go to sleep. I will just play a peaceful song और सब सो जाओ.
सर तो भी नींद नहीं आएगी. एक बार उठ जाती तो फिर नींद ही नहीं आती.
अच्छा,
नहीं मुझे
ये प्रॉब्लम. Okay. I can understand your problem. It is very critical problem. Once you get up, you cannot sleep. सोचना पड़ेगा. I will find a solution. See, the verbs are given. Notice how to pronounce these verbs where ed is added. It was a long day at work. I feel so tired. Where you speak d, tired, closed, rubbed, banged, called, charmed, planned, loved, played. Where to speak with T sound. See the second column. Worked, past, watched. तो वहाँ पे T sound आता है लास्ट में. If you listen to it carefully. Pushed, dropped. Then where to speak ID sound. Visited, started, studied. This is how you speak the words. So who will speak these 8 words aloud? Just you have to read it clear and loud. These 8 words. Read. Read them aloud. Fast. Full read.
Means we have to read this word.
हाँ तो ऊपर क्या लिखा है?
अच्छा.
Talked, reigned, lived, branded, waited, crushed, robbed, and bored. Now, expressions related to banking. There are some expressions given around 5. They are related to banking, which you have not done before, as you said, because you are sleeping all day, all of you. So here you have to match the column A with column B. It is related to banking. So what will come with open? Where
An
should I match?
account.
Open,
An account.
then deposit,
A check.
okay. Whose ID is I'm asking? I don't know the name. Hello.
Yes, sir. We can listen you.
Number 3, calculate.
The interest.
Clear.
A debt.
Apply for a loan. All this, if I ask in exam, you should be able to give the answers. If you are writing the answers, it is good. Find the answers. This you know how to do. Which game is this? Which game is this?
Puzzle.
Puzzle थोड़ी है. Puzzle है.
Word search.
Okay. So tell me what will come in the first one. A drawing made quickly that does not have many details. Where is Con and Sakina? What is the first answer? You should know it. Drawing से याद आया. Where is a drawing? What will come in number one? Answer. A drawing
Caption.
which you make. No. वो तो किसी और में आएगा. The drawing that you make. That day Con and Sakina had shown that drawing. Which type of drawings were there in that?
Pencil sketch was there.
Sketch. Yes, exactly. That is what I am asking for. Sketch. Then second answer. First we will just write all the answers, then we will find. Or you want to find all together.
As
Number
you
two.
wish.
The quality that makes a situation funny. The quality that you have in you, and you can make funny situation anytime while talking with people. What is that quality called? That Kapil Sharma has got. What is that quality called? Sense of
Humor.
Number three, someone who draws cartoons, especially as his or her job. जो कार्टून बनाता है वो. Who is that man called or that girl? Like a person who bakes the cake is called a baker. The person who makes cartoon is called what?
Actor.
क्या?
Artist.
Now you came. I spoke. I just asked you 3 times. Did you listen to me?
The cartoonist.
Yes. And Conan Sakina, what is what was I asking and you were not there? Do you know that?
No, what thing?
You ask anyone. I called you 3 times. For the first question, I needed your help because that day you had shown these things. Number 4, a series of drawings that tell a story. With the drawing, one by one, you can show the scene, and with that, we can tell a story. What is
Comic.
that series? Comic?
I got in puzzle.
Comic strip. And number 5, a drawing of a person that strongly emphasizes his or her main features to create a comic effect. We make a funny drawing to show that how that person looks.
Pankers.
What is that?
Tanker.
No. It is caricature. That was a difficult word, so it's okay. Words printed near the picture that explain something about it. Like in English, also we read the textbook. Then below the picture, some words are written so that we can understand what is given in the picture. What are that words called?
Captions.
Yes. And number seven, a humorous imitation of something. Whoever tells you something, you take it in a funny way. You make fun of it. That word is also new for you. What? You can tell me your word also, no problem. But I am writing the words which you will find in the box that you will find it for me. Then number eight, the use of humor to ridicule or criticize someone. You intentionally make fun of someone in a comedy way. You criticize someone in the television shows. They use that. You might have heard this word before. Satire. Have you? Now find out where is sketch. Let
Sir,
me see who can do it.
here that one, two, three, four, five, six. Six line in standing line.
Vertical. Vertical horizontal बोलते हैं उसे दिलिशा.
I know.
Dilisha, it is called vertical. Dilisha,
Yes, sir.
vertical
Horizontal.
and horizontal. Okay, Dilisha,
Yeah.
vertical and
Vertical,
horizontal.
horizontal.
So V, it starts with vertical. V, H, horizontal. Okay, दो आते हैं vertical and horizontal. Got it?
I know, sir.
I know that you know, but before that I did not know that you know. Now I know that you know. So now we both know that you know, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. But I did not know what I said. First sketch, sixth line you said.
Yeah.
Sixth में कहाँ है? मुझे भी
H
नहीं
Sorry,
दिख
my
रहा.
A
eighth
E
word.
T
Eighth
C
word.
H.
Okay.
Eighth letter. Sorry. Yeah.
Then humor.
Vertical, horizontal.
Vertical
Humor,
which line?
last line.
Which line?
Yeah. Last line. Second letter.
Is
Okay.
horizontal.
Horizontal. Okay. Then it is correct. But first you said vertical, so I thought. Then find out the next.
Seventh line. Horizontal. Seventh line.
Horizontal.
Cartoon selections. Fifth line.
Then second line. Horizontal.
Comic strip.
Horizontal second
Second line,
line.
horizontal.
Caricature. I got it. मुझे पता है कहाँ है. Vertical है वो.
Yes, vertical. Vertical first line.
Yeah. Vertical.
Which line?
That second
Second line.
vertical.
First line में.
Captions. First line,
Caption
Absent
first
छोटे
line.
सी से.
First line.
Horizontal.
horizontal.
What? Horizontal. Spoof. One, two,
Hoof.
three. Fourth
Fourth
line.
line.
Fourth
Fourth line,
line.
Fourth
horizontal.
line horizontal.
Fourth line. Fourth word.
Then one fourth line vertical.
Fourth line vertical.
स्कूप का जो एस है ना वहां से वर्टिकल. सी कितने जल्दी फाइंड कर लिया.
But what about the answers? ये तो गेम है.
फाइंड तो हमने किया ना.
So if I
हाँ.
ask you in exam, you will like it.
Of course not.
Sir.
No,
No.
you
Exam
won't
is
like
not
it.
a game.
Exam is not a game. Oh, good.
Yes.
Who is presenting?
Tati.
Tatir,